issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern York County in upstate South Carolina, Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles west of Shelby to 5 miles west of Gaffney, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Shelby, Gaffney, Kings Mountain, Bessemer City, Boiling Springs, North Carolina, Blacksburg, Grover, Patterson Springs, Lattimore and Hickory Grove. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. These storms are also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland and Gaston, and the following counties in South Carolina, Cherokee and York. Now here is the hazardous